So guys, it all started out, my dad wanted to get a motor whaleboat. So we went on a trip up to go get a motor whaleboat. We went to California, and we found this motor whaleboat for a good deal. And we took our truck up there, and it was already on the trailer, so we towed it down. And then it was a long drive. We just drove for 3 days straight, and then we got it here, put it in the water. My dad fixed it up to get it running. And then we took it on a trip, me and my cousin. The night before, me and my friend Jace, we slept on it. And then me and my cousins went down and took it camping. We went down to Chief Timothy, and then we took it camping right above Chief Timothy, and had some chili. And I think this boat is pretty great. My dad wants to take people out on it, so if you guys are interested in going out on a boat ride, let me know what price you guys think is reasonable to charge, and let me know how many hours you'd like to go out, and let me know if you guys would like to go out. Put it down in the description.